आप देख रहे हैं OCN खबरनामा।
हिंदुस्तान के साथ कुल जमाती नुमाइंदा वफ्द का दुनिया के मुख्तलिफ मुल्कों का दौरा है जारी। इस दौरान वफ्द के अरकान मजबूती से हिंदुस्तान का मौक़िफ़ पेश कर रहे हैं और आलमी सतह पर पाकिस्तान को बेनकाब कर रहे हैं। एक वफ्द में शामिल मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के सरबराह बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी पाकिस्तान की पोल खोलने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं। अब उन्होंने सऊदी अरब के रियाद में पड़ोसी मुल्क को निशाना बनाया है।
So we want to bring to your notice that Pakistan has been indulging in this terrorism for many years, and there has been many questions that why don't you speak to them, why don't you talk to them. Now, in recent past, when in Mumbai the famous 26/11 terrorist incident happened, wherein trained terrorists from Pakistan landed up in the financial capital of our country and started massacring people in a railway station. Then they shifted to 5-star hotels, and then they started massacring people over there. So fortunately for us, because of the bravery of the Mumbai police, one terrorist was caught alive. His name was Ajmal Kasab. The Indian legal system followed all the due process of law, and Ajmal Kasab was sentenced to death. And Ajmal Kasab revealed many things. Our agencies were capable enough to record the audio conversations which a terrorist group sitting in Pakistan were having with terrorists who were killing Indians in 5-star hotels. And those conversations, they were clearly telling them, don't lose heart, kill as many Indians as you can and you'll go to Jannah. This was the conversations that were recorded. So after 26/11, my government headed by the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, late Manmohan Singh, the Indian investigators went to Pakistan, gave them all the evidence, the DNA and everything. And even some American citizens were killed in this terrorist act. But you'll be surprised to know that nothing moved forward. Many times Indian investigators went to Pakistan, Lahore, Islamabad, but nothing moved forward. What made Pakistan move forward in this terrorist trial was when Pakistan was put in the FATF grey list, and one such meeting was held in Germany, and India wanted one Sajid Mir to be indicted. So the Pakistanis cleverly said he's dead. But the moment this important meeting was about to take place in Germany, Pakistan comes up to the committee of FATF and says, Sajid Mir is alive. So can you imagine a country which was saying he's dead, suddenly he is alive, and then the Pakistani government says that our courts have convicted him for some 5-10 years. But the main culprits of 26/11 are still scot-free. They were convicted for money laundering, not for terrorism.
सही खबरें जानने का आपको है ख्याल? हम बताएं आपको पल पल का हाल। सियासी हंगामे हो या मजहबी मामलात, कायदीन की नुमाइंदगी हो या हुकूमत के इक़दामात, अवामी मसाइल हो या समाजी मामलात, संगीन जराइम हो या भयानक हादसात, क्या कुछ है सूरत हाल? कैसे हैं हालात? हम बताएं आपको हर एक बात। जानने के लिए देखिए OCN खबरनामा।